Imagine you are so excited and looking forward to watch a video you just clicked on. And then bam! An advertisement pops up right away and interrupts you. How frustrating is that? Do you hate advertisements? So did I. Yes, they might be annoying and you might even have to watch an ad before you could start watching this video. But let me tell you this. After learning this trick, you are going to fall in love with ads. Yes, you are never going to look back at the boring, annoying advertisements that pop up the same way ever again. Let me start by saying hello. We are the Money Kings, and we are here today to teach you how to earn money just by clicking on those pesky little ads that you probably hate so much. And if you do what I teach you step by step, you can start getting paid today. So many have started making some money each and every day from this site. So as long as you are consistent and you spend a little bit of time each day, little by little, the money will fill up your wallet. In this video, I will teach you how to make your free account, so you need to listen carefully and please don't miss an important step so you can follow along with this video. Later on, I will give you some more tips to really maximize your earnings and make more cash. Before we get into the video, welcome to the Money Kings. We are here to show you different ways to earn money without even taking a single step out of your door, just by utilizing your phones and laptops. Now, for a quick favor, check if you are subscribed to this channel. If you are not yet subscribed, then click on that red button and click on that notification bell so you will always be notified whenever we drop another video. That will help you earn some real cash from the comfort of your home. Now, let's dive right into the video. So the first step I need you to make is to go to the website lightgpt.com. So fundamentally, on this website, there are various ways that you can bring in cash online. An awesome method for bringing in cash on this site is PTC and video promotions. In case you don't already know, PTC means paid to click, which implies that you can really get paid to click on site or commercial. So later on, we'll demonstrate how you can click on sites or watch video ads and you can rake on boatloads of cash online. But we aren't quite at that point yet, so we will get back to that towards the end of the video. While you are on lightgpt.com, you will first need to register and create an account. It's free to create an account and it is accessible in all areas of the world. All you need to do is create a username and password. And if they ask you for a reference code, you can just leave that blank. One of the reasons I like this website is how quickly you can cash out, and the withdrawal there requires a very low payout threshold at only 50 cents. Just like many of these types of websites, there are different payment options you can choose from. So feel free to pick one that is most convenient for you. After you have created an account, all you need to do is follow the instructions to get verified and you are all set. Another website similar to this one that I'm so excited to show you today is boxinside.com. A quick little hack that I would recommend is that you can join both of these websites, buckinside.com and lightgpt.com, at once, so you can get more advertisements to click on and make more money and more cash compared to only joining one site. Yes, just like lightgpt.com, backinside.com is very similar when it comes to payment methods. You can cash out every single day through PayPal, Payoneer, Payza, or send your money straight to your bank account. There are endless sites that you can click on and get 50 cents here or $1 there. You can earn money simply by browsing their advertiser site. Bucksinside.com has a low payout rate as only $2. So you can get paid in less than 24 hours. Now, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so more people will see this video and learn more about some awesome ways to earn money online. If you have something else you would like to add once you have given it a shot, make sure to tell us below. Again, you will have to create an account which will just be a simple email address, password, and then you will need to confirm your email account afterward. But once again, signing up and registering is completely free for you. It may ask for your birthday or what payment option works best for you, but this website is very trustworthy and there are no hidden charges whatsoever. So how this process works is after you sign into your account, you can find various advertisements that you can click on to generate cash. Simply click on one of the ads that you see and afterwards it will take you to another site. From there, you should remain on the site it takes you to for about 30 seconds. Then, you would need to click on the banner for the next ad and it will take you to another site. And once again, you will need to stay on that site for 30 seconds. And then, you can continue this process over and over again. Just watch as many ads as you want to maximize your earnings. Now, for another secret hack that I'm gonna tell you, you can click on these ads at the same time and watch as many ads as possible so that you can earn triple of your earnings. Or you can even open multiple tabs and you can watch ads in each tab all the same time, multiplying your earnings exponentially. Now, here is another website called Hideout TV. So what you have to do is enter hideout.co in your browser and you will see a page with tons of videos that you can watch. When you click on these videos, there are some that have ads in the beginning, so you will have to watch at least 30 seconds of that ad. For example, if I would click on this video, I will just need to watch the ads for at least 30 seconds. The downside is that not all of the videos have ads here. So if ever you clicked on a video that does not have one, just watch a different video. It is very easy to sign up. You just click the sign up button at the upper right corner, then you will fill in the necessary information being asked. Once again, like your username, email, and password. You will then agree to their terms of service and verify that you are not a robot. It is very easy and simple to use. With the websites that I showed you, you can earn buckets of money just by watching ads. Keep it in mind that as you do this repeatedly, you can make money from watching these ads again and again. If you tried any of these tricks to make money from watching ads, please remember to like this video and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are also looking for ways to earn easy money. And quickly subscribe to Money Kings so you won't miss out when we post another video about making money online from the comfort of your home. Also, check out our other videos and thank you for watching.